Adventure and food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on an unforgettable culinary journey abroad, the Wasaline ship cruise. We tried their premium buffet, and let me tell you, it's hands down the best.
Take meat, there is some meat.
Yeah, a little.
I didn't come to end, so
Okay.
I'd say I wanna test now mostly fish.
Okay, me too.
But this is
So what do you
I'm a little
have?
bit skeptic.
What do you have?
How to eat that?
You have to use your hand. You cannot use this
Yeah.
shell. You have to
Yeah,
remove it, and if you eat it, you will have a bad
you
stomach.
have to show to me how.
Okay.
So it's my first time.
Okay, cool.
But I'm open-minded, so. So what do you think about it?
What is this thing? I forgot the name.
I don't know this English.
Some
Matti.
egg fish.
Matti. This is like a sperm. Something else?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, picture and then we.
Just one. Hey everyone, it's sabbir-snow.fi here. We are currently on the Wasaline ship, traveling between Vasa and Umeå, Sweden. We have heard amazing things about their premium buffet, and we can't wait to dive in. Let's go! In our previous video, we took you to Umeå, Sweden and explored it almost the whole day. And in this episode, we are gonna show you how we returned by Wasaline ship cruise. Why is caviar the most demanded food? It's actually a top 2 culinary item in the restaurant world. Basically, it's fish sperm. Caviar often considered the pinnacle of luxury foods. First and foremost, its exclusivity and rarity making it high sought after. True caviar comes from sturgeon, a fish that takes many years to mature, and only a few countries produce it in significant quantities. Secondly, the unique, delicate flavor and texture of caviar provide an unparalleled gourmet experience. Its subtle, brainy taste and the way the pearl burst in your mouth are a sensation that food enthusiasts crave. Additionally, caviar is often associated with high status and sophistication. Serving caviar at events or in upscale settings is seen as a symbol of wealth and refined taste. Finally, the meticulous and labor-intensive process of harvesting and preparing caviar ensures that only the highest quality product reaches the market, further driving its desirability and demand. These factors together make caviar not just a delicacy but a coveted luxury item in the culinary world. As you can see, the dining area is stunning, is spacious, elegant, and perfect for enjoying a feast while cruising the beautiful waters of the Gulf of Botnia. We got the most romantic dinner in our life while the sun was setting in the horizon and filling our stomach with delicious food after a long day of exploring Umeå. Just look at the spread. The Wasaline Premium Buffet offers an incredible variety of dishes, from fresh seafood and gourmet salad to hot entries and mouth-watering desserts. There's something for everybody. The seafood selection is absolutely fantastic.
Where are we going now?
We are going to catch the sunset right now. We are going to the top deck, and the sun is setting in maybe 10 or 15 minutes. We are going to catch the sunset from the top deck of this ship. And that's going to be an epic adventure because we haven't seen sunset together in an ocean. So, what an experience, right? Yeah! Unique experience in our lifetime.
Oh, I don't have. I don't have. together.
Can you please stand over there? Have you ever seen a sunset like this in your life?
Of course.
How many
That's
times?
Like almost millions because I live in a lot sea cities.
Okay. How beautiful. Oh my god, this is absolutely stunning. We are in an ocean and now watching the sunset together. What a lifeline experience. Wait, I need my people.
I'm warning you, honey.
Wait. Oh man, this is so beautiful. What a wonderful sunset that we're experiencing in our lifetime right now. This is beautiful, beautiful. Let's get close.
Wait. Hey.
Look. Look, the sunflower is coming in between us. Yeah. No.
Puss puss.
Probably not.
Sound.
But it's so cool.
You got it? With the Finnish flag?
Huh?
With the Finnish flag?
Yeah, I think. It's different time.
What an epic sunset in our life. Oh my god, we love this sky, the sea, and the boat, and everything that is happening in our life.
I'm sorry.
We thank you so much from the ocean. Sweden and Finland, both of them are so beautiful, and we highly encourage you to visit this country as soon as possible. We're having the storm in the middle of the sea, and it'll blow us down. Oh my god.
What a sunset to take pictures. What a sunset to take pictures. What a sunset to take pictures. What a sunset to take pictures.
Fresh shrimp, oyster, smoked salmon, everything looks so fresh and delicious. Let's load up our plate. The seafood is incredibly fresh and flavorful. The smoked salmon melts in your mouth, and the shrimp is perfectly cooked. If you love seafood, you are going to be in heaven here. Next up, we have the salad and cold appetizer station. The selection here is amazing. With a variety of fresh salad, cheese, and charcuterie is a great way to start your meal. These salads are fresh and full of flavor. The combination of ingredient is spot on, and the cheese and charcuterie add a nice touch. Perfect for getting your taste buds ready for the main course. The roast beef is tender and juicy, the chicken is perfectly cooked, and the vegetarian lasagne is rich and satisfying. Each dish is bursting with flavor and cooked to perfection. And of course, we can't forget about dessert. The dessert station is like a dream come true, with an array of cakes, pastries, and even a chocolate fountain. These desserts are perfect for ending to an incredible meal. The chocolate cake is rich and moist, the pastries are high and flaky, and the chocolate fountain is just pure indulgence. Overall, the Wasaline Premium Buffet exceeded all our expectations. The variety, quality, and the flavors of the food were outstanding. If you are over on the Wasaline cruise, make
Ja, har vi några önskemål? Onko toivomuksia?
ikuinen vappu.
Do you understand what he asked?
No?
Yes, do you have any wishes?
Ikuinen Vappu. What was the name of the song?
Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, ikuinen vappu.
Make sure you treat yourself to the amazing buffet. Thanks for joining us on the delicious journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventure and travel. See you next time.